Now, when you buy a non-electric car, so diesel or petrol vehicle, and you're going to make that car available to employees to use privately, you're not allowed to write the cost of that purchase off against your profits in the year that you buy it. It doesn't qualify for the annual investment allowance, and cars won't qualify for the new full expensing rules for companies that are coming in from April 23. So instead, what happens is you get tax relief on the upfront cost very slowly by something called a writing down allowance. You take a percentage of the unrelieved cost each year, and that percentage depends on the car's CO2 emissions. So if you've got a very effective, probably a hybrid vehicle that emits under 50 grams per kilometre of CO2, then you can have 18% of the unrelieved cost written off each year. So that means that in the first year, you get for every £100 that you spent, you'll be able to write down off £18. And then the following year, for every £100, the following year you'll have £82 unrelieved, and you can have 18% of that, and you can have £15 written off. So it's very kind of small amounts, and it takes a long time to write the full cost and get full relief. The final thing just to consider when we're looking at an electric car rather than petrol or diesel, when an employee has a choice between car benefit or salary, sometimes called salary sacrifice, we have to consider the optional remuneration arrangements. Now, these apply when an employee gets a choice between salary or benefit, and the end result is generally that you will get taxed on the higher of the salary that has been foregone or the cash equivalent of the benefit. So if that was to happen with an electric car, and you had a choice between salary and electric car, and you chose the electric car, but still got taxed on the salary, you wouldn't feel the incentive or the benefit of shifting to an electric car. So fully electric cars, and in fact other low emission cars, so hybrids with CO2 emissions of under 75 grams per kilometre, it's still possible to swap salary for one of these vehicles and get taxed on the lower electric car benefit in kind.